Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to stop Microsoft Edge browser opening again and again in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all, you need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Guys, in left menu you can see here Accounts. Click on Accounts. Click on Accounts. In right section you can see here Sign in option. Click on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here Use my sign in info to automatically finish setting. Guys, you have to disable this option. After disabling this option, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then I will show you the second method. Right click on Start menu. Open Task Manager. Guys, in Startup tab, click on Startup tab. Guys, in startup type, if you find Microsoft Edge browser, just right click that and click on disable. Guys, in startup type, if you find any Microsoft Edge browser, just right click that and click on disable. If you find any other related Microsoft Edge browser, just right click and click on disable. After doing this, close this window. Then I will show you the third method. Guys, in third method you need to click on Start menu, then type here Task Scheduler. Click on Task Scheduler. In left section you can see here Task Scheduler Library. Click on Task Scheduler Library. Guys, in this, if you find any Microsoft Edge browser, just right click and click on disable. If you find any other related to Microsoft Edge browser, just right click on that and click on disable. After doing this, just close this window, and once you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, that's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Edge browser opening again and again in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.